Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Codemong AI token. Ticker symbol is COAI. Now this token just got a brand new big central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find on BSC Scan. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. There's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 7.5 billion tokens. Right now they have 4,902 holders. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. It just got a brand new central exchange listing August 1st at 9 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange. Called Gate or Gate.io. So one way to get this token would be to download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search COAI, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. So that is one way to get this token. And another way to get the token would be, well, first of all, Gate may not be available in your country. You also may not want to use a central exchange. And if that's the case, you can get this token off of PancakeSwap, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So you could fund your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps. Find PancakeSwap and then trade your BSC for this token using the contract address that you could find on their BSC scan or their Gitbook, codemong.gitbook.io. And that's going to be a full document section that's going to give you all the info. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here as usual. You'll see they have a huge Twitter following, 110,300 Twitter followers. So it says, Codemong is a TCG game based on augmented reality and AI technology. And they have a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. So if you go over to that link tree, you're going to find the Twitter website, 2 different telegrams, CoinMarketCap, BSC Scan, and white paper. So all the links are there. 2 different telegrams. One is a community telegram that has 52,287 members, and that one's at Codemong AI. And then the announcement channel has over 100,000 subscribers, and that is at Codemong AI_announcement. So check those out as well. Now, what is this project all about here? It says here, Codemong is a TCG game based on augmented reality and AI. When playing the Codemong game, markers, which are physical cards and NFTs, are required depending on the mode. It was thought that the way a character is created by pointing a marker at a smartphone camera is similar to a way a QR code is projected. So the name of the game, Codemong, was created by combining the QR code and the monster Mong. This is a game where you can raise each character in a Tamagotchi form, collect money through staking in idle mode, and exercise your skills through adventure mode and battle mode. Each character is equipped with its own AI, so their actions and reactions are all different. Through this, it is possible to better develop each character's characteristics. So they have a roadmap here, starting with strategic planning for blockchain adoption in gaming, develop and implement a comprehensive plan to integrate blockchain tech into the gaming industry, leveraging the advantages of AI-powered enhancements within the game. And then team building. So assemble a skilled and dedicated team of professionals to drive the project's success, focusing on diverse expertise in blockchain, AI, gaming, and business development. Then we have the second phase of the roadmap is game character design. So initiate the creative process to design unique and engaging characters for the game, ensuring high quality artwork and immersive storytelling. Launch of the COAI token. Successfully launched the COAI token on the cryptocurrency market, establishing its presence and utility within the gaming ecosystem. Then will be the development and testing of the beta version. So develop and rigorously test beta versions of the games on both Android and iOS platforms, ensuring a smooth and engaging user experience while addressing any technical challenges. So then we have the ABT launch. Execute the automated batch trading ABT launch, implementing a system that allows for efficient and timely execution of trades, optimizing the trading process for stakeholders. Then we have the CBT launch. Follow up with the continuous batch trading launch, providing near real-time trading capabilities to enhance market responsiveness and execution precision. Then the game launch on Android and iOS, so officially launching the completed games on Android and iOS platforms, making them available to a wide audience and ensuring robust performance and user satisfaction. And then lastly, marketing campaigns. Roll out extensive marketing campaigns to promote the games across Asia and the United States, leveraging strategic partnerships and targeted advertising to maximize reach and engagement. So the Codemong AI project has issued the Solana-based COAI token. COAI tokens are used to purchase physical cards and NFTs, strengthen characters, and purchase characters, and can be liquidated into cash by earning rewards according to various modes. In addition, you can generate profits by trading your own NFTs, physical cards, and characters in the form of an auction on the Codemong AI market. So it says here Solana, so the one I saw was on BSC scan, so maybe it's cross-chain as well here. So it says Codemong AI is comprised of technological development teams from Vietnam and Korea, where the gaming industry is most active in the world, and aims to be the leader in AI TCG games in the future to grow a huge platform project through M&A and indie games and release the follow-up games. So 40% of the tokens go to the ecosystem, 15% strategic investors, 15% development, 10% marketing, 10% goes to staking, 5% liquidity, 4% reserve, and 1% advisors. So go check this token out and let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.